God bless America. Election is around the corner and presidential campaigns are steaming everywhere. As we are getting closer to the elections, let's take a good look at the policies and values upheld by those candidates. I have listened to some of the speeches and I thought it is important to speak about a very sensitive topic: abortion. Today, the greatest challenge for our peace is the cry of millions of innocent unborn children. Scripture says this: can a mother forget the baby at her breast and have no compassion on the child she has born? Though she may forget, I will not forget you. See, I have engraved you on the palms of my hands. Every aborted child was God's life, and He had engraved those children in His palms. He knew them much before the mother knew about it, and had blessed them in their mother's womb to do very amazing things in this world. That child's presence in the world was to share God's love among us. Unfortunately, that child got killed. Why? Mother Teresa said this in one of her famous speeches about world peace. The nations who legalized abortion are the poorest nation. They are afraid of their unborn child, afraid to feed them. Millions of children are aborted because the families are worried about feeding them, educating them, spending time and resources for them. Are you really that poor or really that selfish to stop someone's life for your benefit? God provides a lily in the wild. He provides a bird in the sky and provides humans so much more. Everything that you have is His blessings. And it's all a part of a great plan that He has for you. All you had to do was to give some opportunity for your unborn child and share your resources with it. Please believe in your God and know He is there for you and for that child. Have some hope and don't try to write your future. You cannot do that. Do you know if you will live another day? Your God knows that too. When I speak about war, which is the biggest war that comes to your mind? World War II? I want to share with you the statistics of death for that war. In USA alone, there were 418,500 deaths reported during World War II. This is absolutely nothing compared to the death in USA due to coronavirus. According to CDC data, there have been over 1.1 million deaths in USA due to COVID-19 outbreak in 2020 through July 2024. The data is coming from CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, which is a major public health agency of United States Department of Health and Human Services. Now, let's have a look at the abortion count, which is nothing but the death count of unborn children. You know that there are some abortion bans in some states of America. Due to this, people travel to other states or countries to do abortion. Some of them do that. If we only take the US states without the total ban for abortion, only for the previous year 2023, there are 1.03 million clinically provided abortions. Please note that many states with total bans are not included in this count. Neither did we estimated the count of non-reported abortions, which can still be more, Still, the numbers are over 1 million. A country that can have such high rates of abortion in the midst of state-wise bans can really blow those counts in some unimaginary proportions once abortion is legalized. Those unborn children are fighting their war inside their most trusted mother's womb. Guys, when we speak about peace, often these children are forgotten. These unborn children don't have weapons. They don't have voice. They are so gentle, still we fear them. Still, our minds are very narrow to share what we have with them. So many talents, so many blessings that God planned for us through those children are trashed by us. This is not a joke. Let's decide not to build our future on top of innocent lives. That's not nice, simply not nice. You must think, how different is a war-loving person and a person who don't value the life of innocent children? What's the difference? Let's look at the recorded reasons for these abortions. This data is from the state of Florida as of 2021. We don't have any recent data, so we have to use the 2021 data. Based on this data, 95.5% of abortions can be considered as those done due to wrong mindset. They are not due to health issues, rape, business relationships, nothing. If you don't need a child, that doesn't mean that the world don't need the same child or God don't need that child. Its life is as precious as your life. If you don't have the economic stability to grow a child, then the solution is not to kill it in the womb. There are many kind churches and organizations that will take care of pregnant women and also take over their children to give them a very good life. When you are willing to save your child, there are many ways to get help, but your mindset is important. If nothing works, reach out to me on email provided below with the subject line, "I need help to save a baby." I assure you that I will help you in ways I can. As we get really close to our elections, please take time to evaluate the presidential candidates in a very unbiased way. Listen to their original speech on policies, vision, etc. Watch to safeguard your freedom of thought when you navigate through the social media political campaigns, because sometimes they can really bias your mind. So, listen to the original speech, okay? America is one superpower whose integrity and political stance can impact the entire world. Hence, it's your responsibility to choose the right candidate for the safety and well-being of everyone around the world. Make the right decision and please do vote to save lives. God bless you. Thank you.